Hi everyone, it's me Plantine Charlene, and today my video will be about who inspired me to become a plant parent. So before I tell you who is my inspiration, I wanted to say thank you again to everyone and anyone who chooses to watch my videos. I always appreciate a view, a comment, and of course a subscribe. So let's get to who inspired me to become a plant parent. Okay, so who is my inspiration? Who started me wanting to love plants? It's my mommy. My mommy. I am one of 5 children. I am a middle child. I have an older brother and sister, and then 2 younger sisters who are twins. And my mother has had plants as far back as I can remember. And I think she got her inspiration through my great-grandparents because they had plants, but nowhere near as much as she has or that I have. But my mother does have a good amount of plants. And she actually comes to me now and asks for my thoughts on how to care for a plant. So that's amazing to me. Yay. Because I used to go to her. So I'm going to give you guys a view of my mother's plants. My mommy is not in the video. She doesn't do videos. I don't know where me and my younger sisters got it from because we are video people in some shape, form, or fashion. And my mother is not. My brother and my older sister are not big on it either. So that gene kicked in with them, but the other 2 and myself, not so much. But here is my mother's plants, and I just want you guys to see. She has a variety of plants, anywhere from high light, low light, medium light, ferns. Does my mommy have ferns? I'm not sure. But she definitely has peace lilies, pothos, philodendrons, calathea, snake. She has so many varieties as well. Again, I do still have way more plants than my mother does. There's some plants that she just really does a great job with versus me. I suck at them. So the care on each side, it depends. There's some plants that my mother can take care of and I suck at, and then there's some plants that I take care of well and she sucks at. The difference in our lighting is my mother's windows, all of her windows receive afternoon sun, and all of my windows, well, only one window of mine receives afternoon sun. The other 3 receive morning sun. So her plants definitely get that light that they need. She does have a sheer curtain up in her living room because that's where I'm gonna say 90%, if not more, of her plants are. And she has them spread out. Those plants that need a little less light, she may have them lower or further back in the living room. Or, but the plants that she feels needs that brighter light, she has them in the right location. And again, there is a variety of plants, whether it's size, whether it's style, whether it's need, whether it's care, if that's not the same thing. I love it. And I look at my mother's plants and I just go, these just look so good to me. And I tell her all the time, Mommy, you just do such a good job with your plants. But I'm just gonna let you guys see the rest of the plants and just enjoy the view. Okay guys, so that was my mother's plants. I'm happy that she allowed me to take some type of video of her plants and let you guys see. She was willing to share her plants, but that is as good as it gets with my mother. No video taking for her. But before I go, I wanted to show you guys Plantlaxtecka. Please forgive me if I said your name wrong. Had asked me to share the first plant that I ever received, and I had explained to her that I had a pothos. It's not the original plant that I received, but I had told her that no, I'm sorry. It was a discussion about water propagation, and I think I told her that the first plant I ever had was a pothos, and now I have a pothos that's been propagating in water since last year sometime. So I wanted to share that with her, and here it is. It's vining a little. I keep cutting it and adding it back in here so without spilling any water. Here is the plant. There's a lot of roots in there. I just changed the water again today, but this plant will more than likely stay in water. I don't think I'll put it in soil. And as you can see, I believe this is a golden pothos that's in here. I thought it was blended in with a regular pothos, but I don't know from all the intertwining of the roots because at one point most of these leaves were green, solid green, but over time they started to go into the nice golden yellow. So I don't know, but it's a pothos at the end of the day, right? So there it is. There's my pothos that I've kept in water since last year sometime, and it will stay in water. And that is it. That's it, guys. That is my sharing of who was my inspiration to become a plant parent. My beautiful mommy. I love her dearly. And to all the people out there who's watched my videos and is watching this one, thank you again. Thank you. I hope you want to subscribe, comment, like, click the bell to know when another video is coming out. No pressure. But at the end of the day, guys, please stay safe. Please stay healthy and keep planting. Bye.